Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best rolling island is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving additions you can make to your kitchen, offering a convenient way to expand your workspace and storage without permanent modifications. Imagine effortlessly gliding this functional piece into place whenever you need extra counter space for meal prep, serving guests, or simply organizing your culinary tools, and then tucking it away neatly when not in use, making it an ideal solution for kitchens of all sizes, especially those where space is at a premium. Number 5. Homestyles Dolly Madison Mobile Kitchen Island Cart. Introducing the Dolly Madison Mobile Kitchen Island Cart. It offers a stylish off-white finish with a natural wood top and brushed nickel hardware, blending seamlessly into your kitchen decor. Crafted from solid and engineered wood, this cart is built for durability. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle your daily kitchen needs. Maximize your kitchen's potential with 3 drawers and 2 adjustable shelves. Keep your essentials organized and within easy reach. Need more counter space? The convenient drop leaf folds up, providing extra room for meal prep or casual dining. Stay organized with the integrated paper towel holder and spice rack. Everything you need is always at hand. Assembly is required, allowing you to set up your new kitchen island with ease. Enjoy enhanced functionality in no time. What we like? This cart offers a versatile workspace with its drop leaf design, perfect for expanding your counter space when needed. It features ample storage with drawers and adjustable shelves, keeping your kitchen essentials organized. If you enjoy casual dining or need extra prep space that can be easily expanded, this is a great choice for your kitchen. What people say. This rolling island is a great addition to my kitchen, providing extra counter space and storage. The wheels lock securely, making it stable when in use, and easy to move when needed. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts were included. Number 4. Keter Outdoor Rolling Table Cart. Transform your backyard into a stylish entertaining space. This versatile cart provides ample storage for all your drinks, snacks, and bar essentials, making hosting a breeze. With its generous XL size, this rolling cart offers plenty of room for food, beverages, and all your cooking accessories. You'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Take the party wherever you want with its built-in wheels and easy-to-use push handle. Moving it from the poolside to the patio has never been simpler. Crafted from durable, all-weather polypropylene with a stainless steel top, this cart is designed for long-lasting use. It's perfect for any outdoor gathering, no matter the weather. Keter brings you high-quality, stylish solutions to enhance your outdoor experience. Make everyday living better with this essential piece for your home. What we like? This rolling table is built for outdoor entertaining, transforming your patio into a stylish hub. Its durable, all-weather polypropylene construction ensures it can withstand the elements, and the generous storage capacity is ideal for drinks and snacks. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor gatherings and need a functional, stylish bar that's easy to move around your deck or patio, this is the perfect fit. What people say. This rolling island is a great addition to my kitchen. It provides extra counter space and storage, and it's easy to move around. I love the design of this rolling island. It's modern and stylish, and it fits perfectly with my kitchen decor. The quality of this rolling island is excellent. It's made of sturdy materials and seems like it will last for a long time. Number 3. SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart 4-tier. Tired of wasted space? This slim organizer is designed to fit perfectly into those narrow gaps. Its intelligent tiered design maximizes vertical storage, accommodating items of all sizes. Need flexibility? Easily move it around on its casters, or remove them for stable, fixed shelving. It adapts to your needs, serving as a mobile pantry or a stationary bathroom organizer. Keep everything in its place with adjustable dividers and precisely engineered tier heights. From large bottles to small jars, everything finds its perfect spot, eliminating wasted vertical space. Set it up in minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy transport but built to last, with a unique mesh bottom to prevent water pooling and keep items dry. This versatile cart is your solution for clutter in any room. Use it in the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or even small spaces like RVs and bedrooms to organize your essentials. What we like? This organizer is a genius solution for tight spaces, designed to fit into narrow gaps with its slim profile. Its multi-tier design maximizes vertical storage, and it can even convert from a mobile cart to a fixed shelving unit. If you have limited space and need to utilize every inch, especially between appliances or in tight corners, this is the ultimate organizer for your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. What people say. The wheels lock securely, making it a stable workspace. It provides ample extra counter space and storage. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with kitchen decor. Number 2. Homestyles Dolly Madison Kitchen Island Cart. Introducing the Dolly Madison Kitchen Island Cart, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your home. Its sleek black finish and stainless steel top add a touch of modern elegance to any kitchen. This cart offers generous storage with 3 spacious drawers and 2 adjustable shelves. Keep your kitchen essentials organized and easily accessible. It also features a handy paper towel holder and a spice rack on the ends, keeping frequently used items within reach. Crafted from solid and engineered wood, this piece is built to last. The brushed nickel hardware complements the overall design beautifully. While assembly is required, the straightforward design ensures you'll have your new kitchen island ready in no time. What we like. This cart combines a sleek black finish with a durable stainless steel top, offering a modern and practical workspace. It provides substantial storage with drawers and adjustable shelves, along with convenient side racks. If you're looking for a stylish kitchen island that offers a robust work surface and excellent organization, especially in a more compact kitchen, this is an excellent option. What people say. This rolling island is a great addition to my kitchen, providing extra counter space and storage. The island is very sturdy and well made, and it was easy to assemble. I love the modern design of this rolling island. It looks great in my kitchen and complements my existing decor. Number 1. Yaheetech 40 Rolling Kitchen Island Cart. Crafted with sturdy pine wood legs and a durable varnished countertop, this cart offers exceptional safety and sturdiness. Its robust design can support significant weight, ensuring reliability for your kitchen needs. Enjoy extra workspace on the countertop for meal prep. A spacious drawer keeps essentials tidy, while 2 open shelves provide easy access to appliances and cookware. Navigate your home with ease thanks to 4 smooth rolling casters. 2 of these are lockable, allowing you to secure it in place whenever needed. The middle shelf features a slatted panel for enhanced ventilation and stability. This design cleverly keeps round items secure, preventing them from rolling away. Maintaining its pristine look is simple. The water-resistant varnished countertop wipes clean effortlessly, and the powder-coated frame ensures lasting durability. What we like. This kitchen island offers a generous solid wood top, providing ample space for meal prep and dining. It includes a convenient drawer for organized storage and 2 spacious shelves, one of which is slatted for enhanced ventilation. If you need a mobile kitchen island with a substantial work surface, extra drawer organization, and a touch of rustic charm, this cart is ideal for your dining room or kitchen. What people say. The wheels lock securely, making it a stable workspace. It provides ample storage with adjustable shelves, perfect for organizing kitchen essentials. The stainless steel top is durable and easy to clean, ideal for food preparation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.